English Listening Test for Kids, Level 3, Test 7. Guess the animal. 1. You can find this animal at the zoo. It is a big animal. It is a very tall animal. It eats leaves. It is yellow and brown. What is it? B. Giraffe. 2. It lives in the sea and on land. It has 8 legs and 2 pincers. It is orange or red. You can eat it. What is it? C. Crab. 3. It lives on a farm. It has 4 legs. It says moo. It makes milk. What is it? C. Cow. 4. It is an insect. It can fly and has beautiful wings. What is it? C. Butterfly. 5. It is a pet. It has 4 legs and a tail. It says meow. It likes milk. What is it? B. Cat. 6. You can find this animal at the zoo. It has big, sharp teeth. It is dangerous. It is green. What is it? A. Alligator. 7. This animal is big. It can jump out of the water. It is a dolphin. But where does it live? A. The ocean. 8. This animal is pink. It says oink, oink. It likes mud. It is a pig. But where does it live? B. The farm. 9. You can see this animal at the zoo. It has 4 legs, a tail, a mane, and sharp teeth. It roars. It is dangerous. What is it? A. Lion. 10. Oh, look! There are some black and white animals over there. There are some penguins at the zoo. Are there any penguins at the zoo? A. Yes, there are. How did you do?